So in today's test we got the Lito X1. I'm using my RC2 controller because I've had a few people ask me questions about has it got the dynamic, the dynamics. I'll put it there because I know I say it wrong. Tough if I get it wrong. Has it got the dynamic return to home? Obviously it's got the advanced return to home. Another thing we will look at, precision landing. I don't think this has got precision landing, but it has landed a few times on the landing pad. But in this video, really, we're going to try out the advanced return to home settings. Has it got it? I don't know because I ain't even looked yet. Okay, so the drone's ready to go off. We've got 74 on the clock, which is good for me. So let's get the drone up in the air. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to send the drone up a little bit more. I'm going to walk down the track a little bit. Okay, so here I am, just up the track. I'll just wave just to make sure you can see me. I think you can. Right, drone's in the air. So, return to home. Right, update home point. So we got the static. Okay, or we got the dynamic. So I'm going to press the dynamic because that's going to come to me.
Home point updated.
Okay, home points updated. So officially, come out of that. Okay, let's just send the drone out a minute. Send out the track. Okay, and then we press return to home, and we should come to me. So that's another good thing about the new Lito X1. I love that name. That's about the best thing DJI's brought out at the moment. I can't even say about the Afata 360 because I still ain't got it. Okay. Oh yeah. So when you do the dynamic, because this is usually aimed at cyclists, what it is, if I knock the gimbal down, it should just show where I am. Yeah. So there's the home point. So there you are. Right, I'm going to walk up the road a little bit more. I'm going to turn the drone around a bit. And we'll try something different. All this walking I've got to do. In this heat. It'll be time for a brew. Okay, so. We'll do it again. Let's do return to home, but update home point. This time I'm going to go over to static. I'm going to do controller. If it's highlighted it, I think so. Okay.
Home point updated.
Right, so home point's been updated. I'm just going to send the drone over that way. Let's send the drone over that way. Back to my other location I like flying from. Okay, now this time if I press return to home, it should. It come here. I know it's going to come here anyway. What's the point of me? What's the point of me saying should? It's going to come here. Yeah. Just coming down the land. Okay, so it's saying unsuitable. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cancel that by sending the drone back up. And I'm going to come back to my original place. Okay, and we just send it a little bit more, put up the gimbal, totally confuse it. If it's me, it'd be quite easy. Well, anyway, that'll do. So I'm going to come back to where I am. Okay, so anyway, that's done. What's that? Right, let's bring it back to, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to stand on the landing pad and we'll just see how accurate it is. Okay, return to home. Update, we'll keep it in static. We're going to do the controller. Okay. Okay. So the home point's been done. I'll just fly it about a little bit more just to give it a bit of a burn up. Let's go over that way a bit. Okay, right, now we do press return to home, and hopefully it's going to come back to me standing on the landing pad. So what do you reckon? Do you think it's going to land? I mean, it's obviously not going to land on me, I'm going to get out of the way, but is it going to land on the landing pad? Good test, I think. I need a cup of tea. Throat's so dry. Okay, so it's not going to land on the landing pad, but it's close enough, isn't it? I'm just gonna. Nah, come on, let's do a bit of cutting the grass. Is that a good idea? Probably not. Blades look alright. Anyway, I'm going to do one more test, and that's more to do with the precision landing, if there's such a thing. I'll be honest, guys, I never read the manual. And I know I should, but I don't. Because I know a lot of you out there don't anyway. And I think it's always best to keep everything... what's everything? Everything normal, I suppose. I know some people will say, oh, you should read the manual, you don't know what you're doing. But I know a lot of people don't read the manual. I've got a lot of my friends, because now it's a PDF download now. Anyway, let's try this precision landing. Home point's updated. Now I was told 20 foot is usually about the limit, and just let it hover there for a couple of seconds. Okay. Right, so I'm going to send it off out, have a little bit of a fly up the top there, up to the mound. Yeah. Right, now we're going to press return to home. If it lands on the map, fantastic. If it lands on the H, then we got precision landing. I don't think personally, I've been flying this drone now for 2 weeks. I would definitely recommend this drone if it's your first time buying a drone. But I'd be amazed if it lands on the H. Let's see how it's going at the moment. Now it might, it did it the other day where it moved, like it's doing now, but it's not, is it? Right, I'm going to have to cancel that, guys, because that's in the tall grass. Okay, so it hasn't got precision landing, but you know, can't expect everything, innit? Lito. You know, you can see my my stick skills are pants. Anyway, it was supposed to do something like that, but it didn't. But hey, that's no big deal. Having the other ones, the return to home different modes, the static and the dynamic, dynamic. It works fine for such a low price drone, guys. And I don't know if I already said it. I probably already said it. I would thoroughly recommend this drone. Right, so I'm gonna enjoy my chocolate croissant, fresh today, I must say. So, as always, there's gonna be another video rave sooner.